Okay, in the part 3, the light is uh, not lowest but lighter, uh, better than yesterday. I changed this transistor, BT, yes, yeah, blah 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 blah, BT blah 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 blah, and this NTC, this NTC, this NTC. I changed the NTC, and this is NTC. I replaced in the new one, and now it's 200 degrees Celsius and not turning off. Good. Okay, that's, and this is light better than tomorrow is lighter. Okay, this is the case. That's 200 180, and in the down is lock. Okay, that's lock and blinking in 200 degrees Celsius. Okay, and this is very hot. This is hot. Okay, but, and this, oh my gosh, oh,